Fox, Fox. Hello guys, it's the ZX, and today we're gonna make a little bit of trip and little bit of POV of this Citroen ZX, which I recently reviewed for you, and I told you that I bought for 230 euro total, and actually around 300 euro now with all the documents fixed. And I'm gonna drive this ZX a little bit to the forest and let's go some shooting, and I'll show you some POV driving and some stupid things doing with this. So let's go. I have 13-inch tire, which is great. I have some clearance. You can see here some good clearance. Old cars have good clearances. Okay, let's go. Oh, nice seat. Okay, let's fire up this baby and let's go. Here is the key. Okay, you can see how the needles. Oh, beautiful. Started. It started beautiful. It even has some signs that my door is not closed. So let's close the door, put on first gear, yeah, and let's rev it. Let's go to drive it, bros. Let's go. We're driving to the forest. Let's go. Fourth gear, 50 kilometers. No matter the noises, still comfortable on that seat. Some old Russian machine here called Wada. This guy probably don't want to break his car here, but we are not the same type here. Come on. People think I'm a miner with this GoPro on my head, and I'm going to the mines to mine some gold. Come on, Shkoda, to buy some newer car. Okay, this is the road, the right road for that car. The asphalt is not good for Citroen. Here it feels home. Okay, and we're traveling towards ZX. Don't worry, be happy. Oh, bad here. Ooh. Let's go to the forest. Whoop. Oh, bad road again, bad road. Here we choose the paint or the oil paint. Actually, I choose the paint. Yeah, nice. Let's go. Oh, still here. Okay. Have some road, left or right? Left or right? I don't know. You say left or right?
Left.
Left. Let's go left. Ooh, it's nice here. Whoa, what a jump. Jumping. Oh, you hear these old noises. This is the history talking. it's pretty nice and comfortable inside. Here are very bad stones underneath. You should be careful with your oil pump, because game over is the name of what happens after that. We hear some strange noises, but let's hope this is just a noise. Okay, we're on first gear. The steering is really nice, comfortable. We have really comfortable on first gear. You can see the road, but it's comfortable, still comfortable after 30 years almost. Full throttle. My navigator says that a dangerous road is ahead, so let's calm down here really. And no. Don't worry. We'll try another approach. Don't worry, it was a little bit, not a big deal. Okay, let's check now if we broke something or not. It's always good to check, so here is good way. Let's go and see if the engine is still there. Well, you can see that the oil pan has some damage of the stones here. You can see, but it's nothing we have to worry about because no oil. You can see here is the gearbox. The oil pan have been hit many times before. You can see here, but this is strong. This is Citroen, bro, and this is the gearbox. It also first hits the exhaust, so it's a good Citroen car. No worries. Let's continue driving and be careful with these roads. My navigator said that we should be more careful, but I neglected this. Let's go. Okay, when you see stones, calm down. Don't push too much. I'm still filming. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Power when you have good road. Otherwise, no power. Here, some also. No worries. Everything is strong. Woohoo! Okay. Let's go. Woohoo! It's so nice. Woo! And first gear. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello guys, we're already in the forest and we'll use this air gun to put some noise here, and let's fire. Wow. One more down. Oh, empty. Let's reload. So guys, that was this Citroen ZX called Zco. First trip to the forest, first ride. We don't push it too much, because if we broke it in our first series, it will be very bad. We should have some issues fixed on maybe on the bushings or something else, which will not leave us somewhere in the forest. Put some snow tires, which will be higher than this, maybe 175. Change the oil, because we can rev it high, really high. And that's it. Change some filters and drive it again here, drive it again and show it maybe some snow where there is. I should also fix this, because I want to swire it. And so stay tuned, watch our other driving and shitty videos. Thank you very much, subscribe and stay healthy. Bye guys.